Prepare screws, mounting plate, anti-interference, antenna, drone, connecting cables, etc. Disassemble the drone arms. Remove the arm antennas using a T-wrench and store them properly. First, locate the 4 screw holes built into the aircraft. Screw hexagonal studs into the 4 screw holes. Then fix the mounting plate onto the studs. After fixing the base plate, place the anti-interference antenna on the base plate and secure it. After the antenna is fixed, connect the power cord first. Then connect the Type-C connector to the drone Z port interface. Connect the RF cable. Secure the RF cable and connect it to the drone's original GPS port. Once the interface is connected, connect the drone to the power supply. Turn on the power. Enter the flight page. Check the location information. The current satellite reception is 20, and the positioning is normal.